Yep. Yep. And he's in a tree. Get out of that tree. This might be a better fish if I can get him out of the tree. Gosh. Well, we kind of made it. Like, that's pretty much straight down, like 12, 15 feet, and it's not going to be easy the rest of the way, but sometimes to catch the fish that nobody else catches, you got to do the things that nobody else is willing to do, and pretty good at doing dumb stuff. Hopefully today I'm good at catching fish. So let's go. Watch out, buddy. Didn't know if this moment was ever going to happen. Well, we're about halfway there. Sure hope this spot's as good as I think it's going to be. Let's get going. Yeah, I've never been to this spot, which I say that all the time because I enjoy exploring. So I don't know if it's going to be any good or not. I hope so. We got some decent bait, so if we don't catch them, it's probably because it's just not that good of a spot. We got an afternoon to figure it out. And don't worry, Skip. I'll find a spot where you can run around on the bank. Yeah, the river just opens up super wide here. I would assume that, like, this neck down carved out a pretty deep hole. I think this is gonna be the first spot we try. Maybe that little, yeah, right over there. Yep, you can hop out here if you want, just don't roam too far, Skip. Need a couple fishing rods. Got the variety pack, got a little shad, got some goldfish, which reminds me I should probably give them a breath of fresh air. I'm gonna try this side, maybe 2 spots. Yeah, we'll definitely try 2 spots on this side, then 2 spots on the other side, and at least, I don't know. We'll see what the fish tell us. Oh no, I can't reach my goldfish. Grippers. Got it. I kind of like having my foot up on the bank like this. Just leave my goldfish there for right now. They even look pretty good. Oh yeah, that's a good one. I'm anticipating the shad's gonna outperform the goldfish today, but I mean, it's sunny, a little cooler. Water temp got knocked down a little bit, but I got them, so I'm gonna fish them. Pretty deep, not crazy. I'm assuming the other side's deeper, or maybe even further down's deeper, but I'm gonna try here first. Yeah, the thing with a kayak is you can't just zip around, so generally I'll nibble on the corners before I dive straight in, because this might be the only hole that I have time to fish today. By might, it probably will, because it's going to take me some time to get out of here too. Which, if we're doing that in the dark, we're doing that in the dark. Is what it is. Deeper there than I thought it'd be. You know, in standard fisherman fashion, the more I look at the other side, the better I think the other side looks. The upside of kayak fishing, though, is if I think the other side looks good, I can just paddle on over there. So we might come back to this side, but I like the timber sticking out of the water, and I just feel more comfortable fishing a tree. Or confident, I guess maybe confident's the word for it. All right, go get a Mr. Goldfish. I'm gonna throw that one the closest to the cover. There he goes. Yeah, a lot deeper there. See if it matters. It's over 20 foot deep for sure. There's a gar. You can imagine that. Thinking it is sunscreen time. Probably past sunscreen time. Ooh. Pull it down. Why'd you back off? Are you a flathead? Oh, did you just drop it? Or are you swimming around with it? Oh, there he is. He did not, in fact, did not drop it. It's kind of an awkward fighting position. That was quick. I don't know how big he is yet. Oh, that was awesome. Kind of a very tentative bite. You interrupted sunscreen time. I appreciate it. Okay. Heck yes. That was like almost instant. Yeah, right there. Pretty dang nice one. The way he hit it, I was really hopeful he was a flathead because it was so tentative, but I'm happy we caught a fish. Okay. Bait time, then sunscreen time. Oh, already? Sunscreen time continues to be interrupted. Come on, bud. Little catfish bite. Surely there's a big one in here. Probably several big ones in here, if I had to bet. Just getting them to bite is usually the issue, at least for me. Can't get over how calm it is out here. Well, I would say so far the grass is definitely greener over here on this side. Not substantially greener, but an improvement. I also think I'm going to fish one more spot, maybe two more spots on this side. I don't know, we'll see. This hole is just enormous. I don't have a graph, so I don't know where the timber is other than the timber that's sticking out of the water, but hopefully I can toss one close to a tree anyway. Skip, you ready to hop back in? We're getting close to leaving time. Going over here. You have plenty of room to hop in. Come on. Attaboy. Now we can go. Not far though. I'm gonna tie off to this log. See if I can't just drop one straight down and catch flathead out of this tree. Some buoy tied to it. All right. This is really interesting how the current's moving around here. At least I find those types of things interesting. I'm also a nerd like that. Okay. Deep. 27 feet on the line counter. Okay. Nope. Go back to your spot. You don't want to be up there, Skip. Skip's freaked out by the little buoy thing. Pretty sure that's what it is. You're gonna fall in the water, dude. All right, Skip, I'll take care of you. You just hang out here for a little bit. I will say with this kayak, as high as you sit up, you kind of got to be ready all the time. It's just a little, like my center of gravity is raised up higher than what I'm used to. And this kayak's a little wiggly. I mean, it'll be fine. You just keep your head in the middle no matter what and everything will be great, but definitely keeping that in mind. If that side rod gets roasted and pulls my kayak really hard, you know, that direction, I'm gonna have to lean the other direction to counteract it, counterbalance it. What a wonderful problem to have that would be. Keep it down, Skip. It's just a buoy. Well, so far the catfish aren't exactly just jumping in the boat like I dreamed they would at this spot. We got that one nice one, but I thought it would be good immediately, and especially hitting what I think should be the best spots on this hole immediately. I was hoping for immediate awesomeness, but so far that's not been the case. It's just been okay. I think I'm gonna paddle to the other side and see if the grass is now greener on the other side. Let Skip get away from this buoy. Well, I wasn't planning on getting a new kayak, but my other one's got a hole in it, if you could imagine that, from dragging it up and down the bank. And instead of fixing it, I decided to, I'm going to fix it. I just don't have a lot of time to fix it. So I decided to get another kayak. That way I can continue to stockpile as much footage as I possibly can. We got a kiddo due in about a month, and that's gonna make it harder to get out on the water. So instead of stopping the videos, I figured I could, you know, get as much footage as I can to keep the videos coming out even when I'm not on the water as much as I am now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'm also a helpless fishing addict who, you know, fishing's about like oxygen for me. Are you getting a bite? Something's going on. Goldfish might have got tapped too. Whatever it was dropped it for the moment. It's hard to say for sure what's going on down there. It's like, I bet it's close to 40 feet. 40 feet deep. So sometimes when the bait's down that deep, even if it gets picked up by a big fish, like those types of depths, they don't always just pull it straight down. Oftentimes they do, but not always. Well, Skip, you want to go to the beach? We've barely had a nibble here. This will be a good chance for both of us to stretch our legs a little bit, Skip. Oh, there's a wrapper. You better pick that up. Patience, Skip. That's quicksand, Skip. See how far I can make it up here. She gonna firm up? A little bit. Enough, I think. Whew. I imagined this was going to be a little more solid than it is, but it is not. So I think I'm going to hop back in the kayak. Skip. Skip. Well, he's rolling around in something dead. Skip bath went from 90% to 104. Skip, come on. We're going. Bus is leaving, buddy. You coming? I need to pick you up on the other bank. Coming, Skip? That's all the closer I can get, bud. I think that's... I don't know if I can get any closer than that. Skip, I can't get any closer. I'm gonna be stuck. I need you on this one. Come on. Guess I'll see you over there. No. You had your shot, dude. I'll pick you up. Okay. Come on. Come on, hop in. That'll work. It didn't have to come to that, you know. Ooh. Yep. Oh, he just came off. Nope. He's still there. He just freaked out, then he started running at me. And he was bouncing off a tree. Hopefully we get lucky. Is he wrapped up or is he growing? He pulled it down pretty decent. Okay. He's all right. Heck yeah. He whacked it. He definitely gave it all he had. Possibly had a running start. And now for the phrase I say all the time, where's my dog? Oh, went back to that dead thing. Yeah, dandy. Mainly just the hit is what got me. He hit it bigger than what he was. At least I think. I wasn't paying that much attention. But when they hit it like that, you don't have to be. Oh, you came back, Skip. How's it going, bud? Oh, goldfish just got tapped. Can turn into more than a tap if you want. If you're feeling up for it, you know. Skip, come on. Let's get going, bud. Hop in. Good boy. Nope. Stay here. Or leave it. Is he gonna do it? This spot isn't everything I dreamed it'd be. No skunks, so can't complain too much, but it's a problem with expectations. If you have high expectations, you can be let down. There is another spot though. That might be worth trying. Got a little bit of daylight, so I think I will. He smacked it and sprinted right at me. That's a better fish. It's replying to YouTube comments. Oh, stay out of that. There's a tree there, I think. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Oh yeah, he's all in it too. Oh, he came out. Thank you. You probably hear me say there's a tree there a lot. There's lots of trees in this river. Oh yeah. Good one. Easy. It's as much for myself as it is the fish. Oh yeah. The one little extra spot paid off. Come here, bud. Oh, quit. Got him. He's hooked good. I appreciate when they hit it like that because usually they're hooked pretty good, and this one was. This is about the size where they go from fun to extra fun. He whacked it pretty good. Au revoir, friend. See it. I was hoping to see a bunch like that at the last spot, but catfish are a funny bunch lots of times. Skip came by to check things out and then skedaddled. Oh yeah. Yep. And he's in a tree. Get out of that tree. This might be a better fish if I can get him out of the tree. Gosh. Oh, come on. Yep, maybe. Come on out. Now he's filming B-roll. This is better, I think. What are you? He's just fighting weird. Yeah. So much weight. Oh, I brought him in backwards. He's still a nicer fish. It's like, why are you splashing so funny? Okay. Yep. Back-to-back dandies. Okay. Is he even hooked in the mouth right now? He's definitely hooked in the side. Oh, he's one of them beat up ugly ones. Oh, he's got a forked whisker. Cool. Yeah, he's hooked in the mouth. Try to get him. Open your mouth just for a sec. Oh. Okay, good. He's not gonna make life easy on me. Oh, Skip, you don't want to hop in right now. This is bad timing. Stay on the bank. Get one hook out of him. Where's the other hook? Is it out of him? Nope. Okay, what we'll do this. Oh yeah, much nicer fish. Okay. Oh man, like, this was not where I expected to catch these. I'm really glad I decided to stop and just hit one more spot on the way back, and like I said, back to back. I think I'm gonna throw lines back out again. Man, what a nice one. Old beat up dude. Cool. Okay, they're open. Now the coast is clear, Skip, if you want to hop in. See ya. Back to the depths. Okay. So graceful. Oh, that was awesome. There's just trees all through here. Less depth, more trees, more fish. Yeah, one downfall of not having a depth finder is you don't know where the trees are underwater. And if there's no boils or anything to indicate that they're there, you don't know. At least there's no way I found to know, other than you could cast a sinker in there, but I also don't want to disturb the fish. But fortunately for me, I do enjoy battling them out of that stuff. Skip, you getting cold, bud? Is that what the deal is? I'll take that as a yes. What, you get cockleburr in your beard again? That's definitely a yes. Quit, quit, quit. Okay. Well, this is awkward. Yeah, don't worry, Skip. You're not in the way at all. No big deal. Well, we caught those big fish and the nibblers came out to nibble. Skip's getting cold. We got us quite the adventure just to get out of here yet, and we're losing daylight, so I think I'm gonna wrap this one up. But yeah, this was an adventure. Quick little afternoon trip, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Yeah, if you want to support me, check out the links in my video description. Go check out the Ravix fishing rods. They got them in casting, spinning, and oh, the nibblers are still nibbling. But yeah, they're my pride and joy. I got to design those, so that was kind of neat. But yeah, either way, I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you catch giant.